How is it?
Awesome. According to my experience, I have never tasted delicious chutney in Odisha.
Oh my god, that's good. How is your experience about it?
Oh,
It's awesome?
it's awesome.
Okay, let me try then. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, in my first vlog, I had covered some important places like Konark, Puri, Dhauli, Sakhi Gopal, Chandrabhaga beach, and Udayagiri, Khandagiri, the cave, and the Lingaraj temple, and all that. If you haven't visited it, then just click on the I button. So today we are going to explore the Cuttack famous dahi vada, that is Trilochan Sahu dahi vada. Somya bhai rahi gale kona ATM pakhare paisa uthaibe na kono. Okay, let's stop here. आमर सब सीनियर भाई गौतम भाई सो भाई को आज ड्राइविंग करने कहूली आज आम लास्ट वीडियो मो फास्ट ब्लॉग थिला टुवर्ड्स कोणार्क देन चंद्रभागा देन पुरी देन साखी गोपाल लिंगराज टेम्पल सॉरी धौली लिंगराज टेम्पल देन खंडगिरी उदयगिरी केव जदि सहीटा आप देखी ना आई बटन ऊपर क्लिक करूँ आई बटन आस कौटी सो ताकू देखूँ से बहुत एंजॉइंग थिला आ लास्ट पार्ट स्पेशली जो आम साई भाई मोर सीनियर आ भक्ति मोर जूनियर से जो मो सहित आड फास्ट तो सोलो ट्रिप करी से आड हेले से एंजॉइंग रहा वीडियो सो आम एक्चुअली विद्याधरपुर बाहरलु विद्याधरपुर आम जाऊँ बारवाटी स्टाडियम से मे भी 2-3 किलोमीटर्स मे भी त्रिलोचन साहू दही बरा से आम जाऊँ या पूर्व मसे आगे बोलते जाइए हाफटा नौ 40 टका ना कौन फुलटा भाई 60 ना 80 60 हाफटा 40 फुलटा 60 तो हाफ भी खाइबे एत कौन मैंने आप डिनर भी करें सन्ध्या जब खाइदेवे सन्ध्या तो से करुच्ची बोधे मुझे आइडिया अच्छे एंड यू कैन सी द ट्राफिक एक्चुअली प्रतिदिन टिके टाइम बिजी रहे कि आज लगुच कि कम ट्राफिक अच्छी रोड अराउंड 2-3 किलोमीटर्स में अराउंड लाइक 25-30 मिनट्स लगी जाए आज हमको लगी गाइस एबे हमें जुब्रा रोड आड़े जाऊँ से आम लेफ्ट टर्न नबू तापर आम बारवाटी स्टाडियम जीवु हाँ गोटे इम्पोर्टाट जिन भूली जाइए कहवाई श्रीनाथ साहू दही बरा से पाखे आम कटक चंडी मंदिर जानी कटक चंडी मंदिर से पाखे अच्छी जदि केवे भी आसवे कटक चंडी मंदिर बुझापी कि कटक जब भी आसती never forget to try the Dahi Vada and never forget to see Cuttack Chutney. This is Cuttack Chutney. Okay. Where is that tea stall? That famous tea stall? This one?
No.
Not that one.
That side.
Okay, this let's move this. What is it?
Move there.
Yeah. Okay, let's move there and call him.
Call him.
Yeah. This is Baravati Stadium. Can you see? Dark. Yes. From here, our destination is like 1 kilometer away. It has a transformator there. It's a पूरा में right turn होगा जब towards left, Bhakti Bazaar towards left. Then H1 right turn होगा. Hey, चल ना. Right. Oh, how can you forget, man? We just visited last month, I think. This is the way to Chandi Mandir, and this is where we are going, destination. Yes, it is. I was telling you, bro. I was telling you. We are. Oh, okay, guys. Sorry, guys. So today we couldn't make it out. मैं आज टिके लेट हो गलु और दहीबरा स्पेशल दहीबरा एक्चुअली 7:30 बेले बंद करे जानी भावुली ये बंद हो जाए लेट करदेलु आम ए जाऊँ चिंतामणि छक साउथ इंडियन to South Indian chicken try maybe dosa or something like that. Okay, so it was Boxy Bazaar. Bro, how are you feeling? We could not explore that Dahibara. How are you feeling? Excited? What excited? Excited about South Indian tiffin? Okay, to explore the South Indian tiffin. We are exploring for Dahibara, but unfortunate. What we can do? Okay. एक्चुअली मैं दहीबरा पे आसते किंतु दहीबरा बंद हो फॉर ओडिशा पीपल यस सो इट इज a mixed kind of English, Hindi, Odia and all. Yes, it is mixed.
रघुनाथ त्रिनाथ साहू दहीबरा खाइबा हेले हमको 5टा रूम छाड़िया पड़ो 6टा सुधा 7टा सुधा पहुँचा पड़ो 6टा सुधा पहुँची खाई बसिकी गला लोक 7टा घर पहुँच
नाइस बैकग्राउंड बाय द वे नाइस बैकग्राउंड शी इज लुकिंग एट यू भाई चलतु केते बाटे एटू गोटे वी मिस त्रिनाथ साउथ दहीबरा सो हाउ आर यू फीलिंग
Now I am waiting for the dosa.
Okay. So what dosa we have ordered for? Is there any special dosa?
Only one type of
dosa available. Okay.
mixed with onion, masala, all.
Okay.
And according to my perception, lots of others will be there.
Why is it so? Why it is so?
Because in Odisha restaurants, the chief component is the aloo. They love so much that in every dish they put
You can take video of them how
No.
they are making.
Okay. So they are preparing here, and that is the dosa. You can see there. They are preparing their dosa. It's already prepared. So quick, man. Oh. Can you see the dosa? Thank you. It's good. Its appearance looks so. How is it?
Awesome.
According to my experience, I have never tried delicious chutney in Odisha.
Oh my god, that's good. How is your experience about it?
Oh,
It's awesome?
it's awesome.
Okay, let me try then. Okay guys, we have just tried South Indian tiffin, dosa, vada and idli with sambar and chutney. So how you feel after taking this? Is it quite similar to South Indian dishes? And because this is South, who is from Odisha, and he is making the South Indian dishes. So how it is? It was.
Desi type of
Was it?
South. The feeling was desi type
Desi
of
South?
Desi type of South.
Desi type of South
Mixed
Indian?
up.
So guys, हमें भी पहुंचे वाले हैं पिछवाड़ा try something. मीठा दही.
Want to take anything else?
What do you want? You want sweet corn? Okay. Let's have sweet corn. ब्रेड साफ सुथ